Is our midterm test for the MDEV1004 summer 2023. It is basically a simple application that we are creating a books database in the MongoDB Atlas. We're adjusting the stuff we learned in class for the API application, utilizing the new database. We're adjusting our code so that the models and the connectors connect up to the books database. Then we're applying our code to GitHub. We're applying it to render to be a hosting service, and then we're doing the video that you're watching. The first thing I'd like to go through is that on my list, I had to produce my books listing. I created just under as a standard JSON file. That was created, and basically what I did was I imported them in to our books listing. Once it is created in MongoDB, utilizing the add data import JSON functionality. So that populated the first 10, as you see here, and they're online available for access. Now, once I have that access in there, so I can now access it, what I've been doing is I created my book controller, my book model, and adjusted my roots files to utilize display book ID, add book, update book, delete book, display book listing as per my previous ICE information, keeping everything pretty much the same. My book controller, what I did was I added my JSON fields as required, modifying everything as far as the book model that I built here. So I have iBook and my book schema, as well as making sure that everything aligned with the book model. Starting from this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a ad on my system just to make sure that it functions. And there's my thing with my title. Now time to make sure that it all functions against my render. And there's the 11th book listing. No time for now, I think. That one right there. Okay, so it added properly. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to do an update. I have an update over here. So what I'm going to do is clear my response. I'm going to change the title from the long one to a shorter one. No time. Change the pages, and all should be good. Okay, so I'm going to do a change on it. First thing I need to do is make sure that my ID is correct. Then I will rerun the change. It's going to go through. And if I refresh it over here and I scroll down, we'll see that the title has changed. And we'll also run it on this thing as well. And we'll also notice that the title has changed as well. Now, since we have added it, let's move on to deleting the thing. And we'll go to our deletion function. We'll put in the ID of the object. Hit send, and it shows that that's deleted. And we'll refresh. It goes 1 of 11. Should go now 1 of 10. If I go back to my thing and I refresh it, and off it goes. It is now gone. So that shows the listing, the adding, the updating, and the deleting. So that's the CRUD functionality complete. That's it for my demonstration, and we'll have a nice day.